Best United Credit Repayment Plan focuses on controlling cash flow, minimizing interest, and protecting credit health from day one. The plan begins by matching the loan term to income stability. Shorter terms reduce total interest paid, while longer terms lower monthly pressure. For borrowers with stable monthly income, a 36-month term often balances affordability and savings, keeping total interest significantly lower than 48 or 60 months. For variable income, a 48-month term provides breathing room while maintaining manageable costs. Monthly payments should stay below 20% of net monthly income. On a $10,000 loan at an average rate, this keeps payments near $250 to $300, protecting essentials and preventing late fees. Automatic payments are critical. Enabling auto-debit avoids missed deadlines, preserves credit scores, and often qualifies the borrower for small rate reductions. Paying biweekly instead of monthly accelerates principal reduction, cutting interest without increasing the monthly burden. Extra payments change everything. Allocating an additional $50 to $100 each month directly to principal shortens the loan term by months and saves hundreds in interest. Windfalls like bonuses or refunds should go straight to principal, not future installments. This strategy compounds savings over time. Refinancing becomes useful after 6 to 12 months of on-time payments. Improved credit profiles unlock lower rates, reducing monthly costs or shortening the term. Fees must be minimal for refinancing to deliver real savings. Emergency protection matters. Maintaining a $1,000 to $2,000 buffer prevents missed payments during income disruptions. Communication with the lender is essential at the first sign of difficulty, as temporary adjustments often prevent penalties. The best United Credit Repayment Plan is disciplined, automated, and aggressive on principle. It prioritizes predictable payments, consistent overpayment, and timely refinancing to eliminate debt faster while protecting long-term financial stability.